Hot pan.
They have to develop a menu from the starter, an entree, which is several components, and then a dessert. So there's 3 major dishes that they have to do here. With that, then they have to have the cost analysis on this, and then develop a menu with that in the menu pricing.
You got an hour to cook. You're going to present across the hall in the room known as 2165.
One of the key things I'm looking for is a recipe that's not only innovative, but also maintains some basic integrity around health and good nutrition.
I'm working on the parfait. It's avocado and lime.
We were practicing our cutting skills and then our communication skills so we could work better in the kitchen, which we did today.
And our dessert is a pistachio fraisier, and fraisier is a fancier word of a strawberry cake.
I think the flavors were so on point, like the way that they described their food and then eating it, and they went just over expectation.
We're just adding sugar with water and then onto our grapes, and then we're going to add it into a bath of Rice Krispies. That way it makes crunchy grapes as our topping.
One of the things that blew me away was how everything was from scratch. For example, like the ravioli, they made the dough, they set it aside, they let the dough rest. Very technical skills for such young people.
Making good food that's healthy and good for you, and it's more than that. It's working as a team is a really great bonding, as I'm able to make a lot of friendships.
I've seen just a real commitment to each other and to communicating and to overcoming challenges and really coming together to provide some really inspiring, creative dishes.
As old as I can remember, I was always watching my mom, my dad, and my grandma's cook, and I was trying to help and everything. So once I was able to walk and able to reach the stove, I was cooking.